Heimia salicifolia, a gardener's guide and cautionary tale. Heimia salicifolia, often called shrubby yellowcrest for its vibrant blooms, has captivated me for years. This flowering shrub, native to the Americas, boasts not just beauty but a history steeped in traditional uses. However, my fascination soon turned into a quest for knowledge. Could I cultivate this plant in my own garden? How, if at all, could it be used safely? This article delves into the world of Heimia salicifolia, offering insights from my experience as a gardener and highlighting the importance of responsible exploration. How to grow Heimia salicifolia. Growing Heimia salicifolia is a rewarding experience, but it thrives under specific conditions. Here are some key pointers. Sunshine seeker. This plant craves sunshine. Choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Warm welcome. Heimia salicifolia prefers warm climates. If you live in a region with harsh winters, it may not survive outdoors. Consider container gardening to bring it indoors during colder months. Drainage matters. Well-draining soil is crucial. Amend your soil with sand or perlite if necessary to prevent waterlogging, which can damage the roots. Watering wisely. Water regularly during the growing season, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Reduce watering in winter, especially if the plant is indoors. Feeding frenzy. A balanced fertilizer applied during the growing season can promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. With proper care, Heimia salicifolia can become a stunning addition to your garden, rewarding you with clusters of bright yellow flowers throughout the warm months. Important disclaimer. Before we delve into any potential uses of Heimia salicifolia, it's essential to address a crucial aspect: legality. Legal restrictions on Heimia salicifolia vary depending on your location. In some regions, certain parts of the plant may be regulated due to historical uses. Always research the legal status of Heimia salicifolia in your area before considering any form of consumption or use. This article strictly focuses on cultivation and does not endorse or encourage any unregulated use of the plant. How to prepare Heimia salicifolia. It is important to reiterate that this article does not promote the use of Heimia salicifolia for any purpose beyond gardening. However, for informational purposes only, traditional uses have involved preparing the leaves in various ways. Historical records suggest methods like drying the leaves for teas or creating tinctures. Regardless of preparation method, consulting a medical professional is vital before considering any form of ingestion. Heimia salicifolia may interact with medications or have unforeseen side effects. Safety first, a word of caution. While some cultures have a history of using Heimia salicifolia for various purposes, it's crucial to approach this plant with caution. There is limited scientific research on its safety and potential effects. Here's why exercising extreme caution is paramount. Limited knowledge. The scientific understanding of Heimia salicifolia's active components and their potential effects on the human body is far from complete. Potential side effects. Ingesting the plant or its parts may lead to unintended side effects, some of which could be severe. Drug interactions. Heimia salicifolia may interact with prescription medications, potentially causing adverse reactions. Never ingest Heimia salicifolia without consulting a medical professional. The allure of tradition and the importance of responsibility. Heimia salicifolia's historical significance and vibrant beauty are undeniable. However, responsible exploration requires prioritizing safety and acknowledging the limitations of our knowledge. Focus on cultivating Heimia salicifolia as a stunning ornamental plant in your garden. If you're curious about its historical uses, prioritize consulting medical professionals and researching the legal landscape in your area. Remember, responsible exploration and prioritizing safety are the cornerstones of a rewarding journey into the world of plants.